Now, truth be told, Talita is going to stop at nothing. What she wants, she will get. Tell me why she gave an award-winning performance to Victor while Victor was saying that nobody's going to believe you, nobody's going to take you serious about what you're saying. And then she gave an Oscar award-winning performance that, oh, but look, I thought he was a father. I thought he was a credible man and he wanted to thank me for the things that I've done for him, getting him being a... Ah. What are you saying? and then Victor was like, okay, but why didn't you report it then? No, because remember his daughter and the mother is not there. What a little giving. What do you mean? Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanbanan Absheni Malweni Minjani. Ipukile hinga ngwina. So namutlha ka nongokwa hina wa Scandal hikuma korishlo tsemsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that this very own story yaga Talita and Victor. So Victor wanted to go to the bathroom. Now, on his arrival, when he comes back, then uTalita pretend as if ufuna ukudlwengulwa. And ekubeni they were just talking and having like a proper decent conversation prior to that. Now masekabuye etoilet izinto zishintshile. Now uTalita threw herself down, be all dramatic. Now at first, I think Victor thought maybe she collapsed or something is happening and wanting to help. But then now, on the flip side of things, it looks like Victor is pursuing her. Oh, Modimo Akhoto, like that was well played. To a point where when he got home, he was so devastated, he picked up a call and say, what was that? What were you doing? What is the meaning of what you were doing? Then Talita is like, look at your phone. I've sent you something. And thereafter, you can give me a call. And then when he looked at the video looked like it looked completely different from the actual scenario. It was not a true reflection of what has happened. Now he's like, okay, so where are we now? Everything that you were saying that when you want harmony, peace, and whatever, yada, yada, yada. So you were lying. Then she said, I want what I want, and you're going to give me what I want. What I want is money. And it's money that you're going to give me. I think at this point, he does not have an option but to give him the money. Because even after that, she then requested that he comes to her house and then they can talk. And then upon arrival, Victor was told to bring his phone because she's afraid that they might record the conversation. When she took the phone, it's like, I knew you were recording. And then I'm just hoping and praying, have you wired yourself? Do you have something to record? Because what do you even mean? Anywho, on the other side, well, right, Tshidi usune orkets ampuza, okay, ampuza. We had the bold and the beautiful in the days of our lives in Scandal. One episode. Orchid was so devastated, and then he decided that, you know what, angeke ngizengiyimele lento. Awuthi ngithi shwi ngiyekhaya, because what do you mean I'm going to be kissing the same lips that my son kissed? He did not want any explanation, but then he told Umkulukasa that lalela ngiyahamba ke. Umkulukasa was the one that relayed the news ukuthi no uhambile lo baba lo. He went to Ghana, was that place, and then he's not intending to come back, which Tidi was so devastated. And then instead of her owning up to the mess like she never does, then she's blaming Utidi. Ukiribon. Say, when I Kiriboni, why did you call Divet at the time that you did? Yara yara ya, hey. Ukiriboni was like, no, but I was trying to help you. I wanted someone because no one really no pop drunk. Uyinkinga ke wena kade ngakubona uvela le ukuthi uzobe inkinga empilweni bami. Yo, Mremo. Kore he's not trying, she is not trying at any point to take accountability of anything. No. So now, then Ukiriboni says to Mkhulukazi, can we make a plan ukuthi uDivet ezelana because uthira ufuna ukukhuluma naye? Mkhulukazi wathi no. Amncenga njengomuntu wakhe ke then wagcina athi yes, okay, fine. Divet comes, and then TD started explaining. Kidiboni started explaining how he got him there, and then Divet was not happy. He was furious. Uthi ngiyezwa isilima umuntu wami, kuphindwe ngenze isilima ngabangani bami. Yini, what is this? What kind of circus is this? What do you take me for? But at the end of the day, TD and Divet had a conversation, but which was not flying. Like, you just kissed my son. What do you even mean you want to talk to me? On the other news, Mthunzi is becoming a stepfather. Guys, has Mthunzi changed? Because he's giving this manly love. Like, he's giving a house husband. He's giving umuntu alright, man. He's giving untloso before he became what he is now. I don't know, but I'm starting. I never thought I was gonna like him. I hated this guy for a very long time because of his behavior. But right now, ngathi ngiyamthanda. So now he wants to find out what's going to happen with Lihle's education, and Lihle is just like giving up because ubaba wakhe promotion akayitholanga, so there's no clear indication whether she's gonna get the scholarship, she's gonna go esikolweni or not. So ubaba Mthunzi is stepping into to say let's do ama lona, let's try and find out if there's any institution where you can get a bursary and what. I'll help you Google and stuff. But she has just given up or maybe demoralized. But I'm just glad Mthunzi is there and trying to be ubaba that he's supposed to be. On the other side of Ntloso isn't as kahle, because he did say ukuthi ama-feelings wakhe noMadlomo angeke aze avele acishe kanjalo nje, because he was not the one that asked for a divorce. uMadlomo did. So that means ukuthi bekasamthanda by the time. That did not sit well with uDintle, and then now he has to bring flowers. And I'm like, may your marriage fail at every cost, even when you're trying to apologize. Ngathi ngalunywa izinja niphinde nilwe every day. Ayikho into engifisela yona, guys, angifunqa manga. Akukho kuhle engifisela kona. Bye.